So next unit will start now, that is water supply engineering. So in short form we can also say it as WSE. So basically our environmental engineering, this environmental engineering is divided into 5 main parts. So first one is water supply engineering, or we can say that it deals with the drinking water. Then the second subject is wastewater engineering. Wastewater engineering. So it deals with all the sewage. Then the third part in environmental engineering is solid waste management. That is SWM. And the fourth and fifth are the minor topics, but right now they are in news. That is air pollution, and the last one is noise pollution. So these all parts are important now. So among these all the 5 parts of environmental engineering, we are starting the first one, that is water supply engineering. Okay, now talking about the weightage in MPSC MES exam, 10 questions are asked every year. Okay, so this 10 question means 20 marks. Also this subject is very easy, the concepts are very easy, and fixed models are there. If you practice those models, then you can get out of marks in this. So we'll start now with water supply engineering, and in water supply engineering we'll see the first part, that is water demand. Now clearly the word only says everything, that whatever is the demand for water is called as water demand. Now to understand the total scheme of drinking water, we'll draw a diagram here. So first thing that is coming here, that is source of drinking water. So to understand this subject properly, what you do is you ask yourself a question, from where does the water comes to my home? Whatever the water you are drinking at home, from where it is coming? Is it coming from river? Is it coming from a lake? And how it is coming? So try to answer each and every question, or try to find out the answers, and those each and every answers are one unit in this subject, that is water supply engineering. So the first part is about the source, that from where the water is taken. So the water can be taken from river or lake or reservoir. So these are the sources of water. Now once the water source is identified, then what we have to do? We have to collect the water. So the next step is collection of water. Now after collection, this water is sent to one unit which is called as treatment plant. Why this is required? We cannot directly drink the water from river or lake or reservoir, as it may contain some contaminants. So we have to treat this water before drinking, and where it is treated, that place is called as water treatment plant. Very very important. Okay, so all the treatment process of the water is done here. After this process, what happens is that we get a clean and healthy drinking water. So once the treatment is done, we get a water which is of good quality, Then the next stage is distribution of that water. So where it is distributed? It is distributed to the nearest city or town or whatever the locality is present. Okay. So this is a tree diagram for the various processes that occurs before the water reaches at our home. So if you take your example only, so identify that in your town or in your city, from or what is the main source of the water, from where the water is taken, then where is the treatment plant located, that is where is the nearest treatment plant located in your city. Are there one treatment plant or more than one treatment plant, that also you can identify. And at last, after the treatment of water, the water will get distributed to the nearest area. So these are the all processes. Now in the next chapter we'll see what is the meaning of discharge and what is the importance of discharge. So I hope this is clear up to now. So what you do is you try to identify now where is the treatment plant located in your town and what is the source of the treatment plant. Generally in most of the cities a particular reservoir is there from where the water is taken. Sometimes some lakes are also present.